Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. When human footprints set foot on the metal colossus 400 kilometers away from the Earth, space exploration transformed from gazing up to residing. Today, through the lens of NASA, we decode the technological temperature and exploration philosophy on the ISS. Did you know the microgravity environment in space is becoming a secret weapon for cracking human diseases? NASA is conducting Parkinson's disease research on the International Space Station by cultivating nerve cells and observing the abnormal protein aggregation of the cells under microgravity, which is precisely the core cause of Parkinson's disease. The purer environment in space enables scientists to precisely capture cellular changes, providing crucial data for the development of targeted drugs. Imagine that one day in the future, humanity might find the key to curing neurodegenerative diseases in space. In addition to treating diseases, space is also nurturing glowing life. The fluorescent Arabidopsis thaliana, cultivated by NASA, is blooming on the space station. These genetically modified plants can grow normally in microgravity and use fluorescence to report their own health status, such as water deficiency or insufficient nutrients. They are not only the pioneers of space agriculture, but also the key to future Mars colonization, enabling humans to understand the language of plants in unfamiliar environments. Through the live feed of NASA TV, I witnessed with my own eyes that space is no longer a distant fantasy. Here there are rigorous scientific experiments and poetic miracles of life. It made me understand that space technology is not just about rockets and satellites. It is the answer written by humanity with wisdom and courage to solve Earth's problems and expand the boundaries of survival.
Working space really makes people wonder, and I guess the fact that many countries are working on building the space station is bringing the culture and the history of each country in the space station, and somehow we change a little bit each of us.
It's not just an adventuresome place to live, but actually a pleasant and challenging and interesting place to live. I really like the opportunity to spend my life there. What struck me was to watch the crew that's living there, to see them view Earth as a separate place. Earth is something completely separate from them. It's an interesting step, I think, for humans to get to the point where you are now separated from your mother, and you are starting to view yourself as more of a single, separate entity heading off into the rest of the universe.
The next time we look up at the stars, perhaps we should think, how many mysteries are there in the universe waiting for us to unlock? Thank you for watching.